Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Erin and I do mostly budgeting videos like the one you're about to see here. I'm so excited for the past 24 hours to be able to share this video with you and show you my latest monthly budget kit printable. So I worked on this, I reinstalled my Canva Pro subscription, and I was able to create some graphics using their AI feature, which I thought was really cool because that makes them very unique. And even though it's just an office, there was a lot that went into it. An office photo. I wanted an office that wanted some green plants, and as you can see, I have some inspiration over here. It's probably going to get in the way anyway when I start doing this little flip through. I wish I had this in my Happy Planner cover or my Happy Planner binder, whatever you want to call it, but this is one of them that I use. This is a tool notebook cover, but it does fit a Happy Planner very well. It has Happy Planner discs in it, actually. But through the move, I was looking for my Happy Planner big size hole punch. I don't know what in God's name happened to it, but it was literally crushed. And those things are so sturdy. They're literally made of steel. I don't know how it got broken, but it did. So I just ordered another one on Amazon. They're over $50. My local Michael's doesn't sell Happy Planner anymore. My local Joann sells very limited Happy Planner. Walmart doesn't have it. So I needed to order it on Amazon. It should be here tomorrow. I'll be back in business to do hole punching, but I was so disappointed because the original one that I got on clearance at Walmart. I think I paid $9 for it. This was like more than 5 years ago, 6 years ago, 7 years ago. I don't even know. But anyways, so here is the, oh my gosh, I just went to move the plant and I pulled these right off. Okay, so here is the May printable. I'm going to do a quick flip through, and this is going to go into my planner binder as soon as I get my punch. So you have your cover, and then in here, this is actually, hold on. Oh, hold on. I just used it. All right, so this is your month on 2 pages. So that is the no, this isn't it. What the heck? Is this it? I think this is it. Hold on. I'm all discombobulated over here. That's not it. Where's my other page? Oh, here we go. All right. I'm sorry. These were out of order. This video is becoming out of order. So here is your month on 2 pages, which is super handy. This is my preferred layout for planning. I love the idea of getting super in-depth with details about plans and things like that, but I have just realized throughout the course of my adult life that I have gone back to basics, and this is the thing that keeps me most in track. It speaks to my brain the best. I just like seeing the entire month on 2 pages, having that quick glance and being able to capture everything that's going on for 30 days. So that is your calendar feature. Here is your monthly budget printable on the other side. Now, I have a Canon TS3522, and my printer does not print double-sided. You are going to need to print double-sided when you download this because you want to have your calendar show up correctly. Now, if your printer doesn't do double-sided, you probably just have to mess around with it and figure out how to refeed and just print like a page at a time so you get it correct. That's what I had to do because this Canon, which isn't that old, it's probably, I don't know, 4 months old, it doesn't do double-sided printing. So I had to feed manually, but it was worth it. So here's your monthly printable again. This captures everything, a clear snapshot of your entire month's income and expenditures. And then here's where you get into the weekly stuff. So this is a paycheck budget, and we have multiple sources of income, and I like to do every check or every pay date separately so I know what I'm doing with it, and it also gives me an opportunity to create and utilize a zero-based budget, which I absolutely love. I think that's the best thing that keeps me on track. So you have quite a few of those. These are all mixed up. So you have your pay budget. You have 5 of those. So if you have 5 Fridays or 5 Mondays, however you get paid, or if you have multiple sources of income, you have 5 sheets in this kit, and that way, hopefully that will afford you enough space to be able to budget everything separately that you want to. Then when you flip over, you have your sinking funds page. So this is for the entire month, and you have the date, the fund, whether you're adding or subtracting, and then the total for the fund. So this allows you several line items to itemize and either put money in or not as ideally take money out as you need to, but this is here to capture it all. Then you have this really nice notes page. No, I'm sorry. This is the next page. It's monthly goals. So you have budgeting goals, health goals, home goals, and work goals. So you have all of that space here, and the lines are really spaced pretty far apart. So you can, if you write a little bit smaller, you can add additional content here. But this is really nice because it just kind of keeps you on task and focused for the month at hand. And if you don't use this, I mean, you don't have to, but I think it's really nice to encompass all of the things you're working towards in your monthly layout. So I have that here, and then this is the last page. I'm sorry, I had this all messed up. This is your notes page, and again, it's just designed to complement the rest of the green plants and the motif we have going on, but this is just some lined paper. And then I have the little channel name down here, which is nice. And then you can 3-hole punch this, put it into a regular binder, or you can happy planner hole punch this. You can also, if you're savvy, you can resize this. You can save it to a different size or format on your computer and then print it out like that if you have a different size that you use. I know I used to use classic happy planner for my budgeting, but I've learned throughout the years that I prefer the full-size pages. It just gives me more room to write and to capture everything that I want to include. But yeah, this is here. The link is below. Definitely click on it, get your copy. I also am very excited, but I have to wait for my ink to come because I ran out of ink messing around with this and trying to figure out how to do double-sided printing. My ink is supposed to be here later today. I am very, very excited to share with you my 12-month planner, which is also a printable, or you can convert it into a fillable PDF and use it electronically. So again, if you have Adobe, if you even have a free trial of Adobe, you can do it that way, but definitely download that when I post about it. I'm also putting these things on TikTok, so join me over there. I'm posting a lot more often over there than I am here. The videos are just easier to make. Sometimes I just make them quickly in the car, but definitely watch for that video because it is a 12-month planner. I believe it's 50 pages because you have a month on 2 pages, then you have a notes page, you have like a divider page with a different design for every month. I cannot wait to share it with you. So this is my way of giving back to you and thanking you for your support on my channel. But like I said, definitely request. I'll be able to see who's requesting, which is really nice. I'll be able to see who is taking advantage and utilizing these freebies. And the reason why I'm not charging isn't because I don't need the money. I would love to have the extra income, but I just feel like the printable industry is just so saturated that what I'm doing would just get lost in the shuffle anyway. So I just don't have the audience built for that, but maybe one day we'll see. But for now, this is my give back to you. I'm going to be doing these monthly, so definitely stay subscribed. I would really prefer to lend these out, give this content out to people who are subscribed to my channel as a thank you. So thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate you guys being here. I love being back. It is motivating me. It gives me something to look forward to and definitely gives an added little purpose to my days. So thank you so much. It means a lot more to me than you realize. So I hopefully will see you guys in my next video. Take care.